In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can edit any PDF online for free. If you consider finding value in this video, now hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave your comment down below so that everything can keep pushing this for other people who want to learn. With any further ado, now let's get started. So head on to your browser and type lightpdf.com. Lightpdf is a web application that you are going to use to edit your PDF. So once you head on to lightpdf, go to this PDF tool. As you can see, this PDF tool, we have a lot of tools here. We have the chat PDF tool, we have the AI image watermark remover, we also have the PDF to Word. But what we want to look for here is the the edit PDF section. So click on the edit PDF section. Alright, click on the edit PDF section. So once you close, you can see it here. Edit PDF, simple online PDF editor. So what we want to do is to click on this section where it says choose files. So click on choose files. So automatically it will open your files in your computer. So this is my PDF file. So let me try to open it. Let's give it a little chance for it to load. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, good. So now our PDF. Okay, so let's try to edit this section. Yeah, as you can see, we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and Python. So what we want to do here is to edit this section. Okay, let's edit this section. Here are the handles. So let's try to this session. Let's try to add their Java. Okay, let's try to add their Java. Let's try to add Java. Let's try to add Java. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and Java. So this is a simple way on how you can edit any PDF online for free. So if you want to download this PDF, here is the download button. So download and please wait. So you can wait for it to download. Once you download, then you can see the version of your updated PDF that you have been uploaded online. You have edited PDF online. Okay, so I know you found value in this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Leave your comment down below. Let me know on how it went for you, so the algorithm can keep pushing it to other people who want to learn more about written content. See you all in the next video. Peace out.